Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashuduma Sutam. The JSE ended the day flat to close on 27,467 points. We spoke to Simon Fulmore from Independent Securities looking at Standard Bank's results.
Most enlightening thing about the results when one goes through them is their return on equity, and that at 13.5%, it is very low. Compares favourably to Nedbank, which came in at about 10.5%. But Standard Bank management in their results presentation this morning iterated that for their South African business they expect to earn a return on equity in excess of 20%, and for their African businesses in the high teens. So I think if one averages all those numbers out, you'll probably get to a normalised or sustainable return on equity of 20%, which is significantly higher than where that they're currently operating at.
Today, the NSE lost 0.18% to close on 24,988 points. We spoke to Jude Fujoku of 30 Years Investment Advisors looking at the trends in the market.
First of all, when you provide public information to the public, you should provide it at once and be consistent. Every day in the papers, you hear one story. Tomorrow, there's a flip-flop. It's reversed. So people don't really know what's the truth and what is not the truth. That's number one. Number two is uncertainty breeds panic in this country and many other countries too. When you have uncertainty, you're not sure what tomorrow is going to bring, people decide to exit. And that's what that's also happening.
The Nairobi Stock Exchange's main 20-share index lost 0.2% to close on 4,544 points. We spoke to Robert Munuku from Drummond Investment Bank looking at the downward trend.
The sentiments are for most dealers of the investment banks is that this trend will not persist for long, and maybe come tomorrow and maybe come Monday we should see the market pick up. Turnover also dropped marginally, 390 million recorded today as opposed to 345 yesterday. So looking tomorrow, I think the market should pick up and it should grow steadily as we come into the new week.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.